Hello guys, today I discuss law. Subject what is an injunction. So let's start our topic what is injunction. In law, an injunction is an order by a court or to one or more of the parties in civil trial to refrain from doing, or less commonly to do some specific act or asset. The former kind of injunction is child category of private, the latter mandatory. The usual profile the usual purpose of an injunction is to preserve the status quo in situation in which future acts of the specific type or the failure to perform such acts all cause on of the press interval harm, i.e. harm that can't be adequately reminded by an aware of memory damaged, primarily primary or temporally. In injunctions are usually issued before the start of the trial. They expire upon relation of the punctuation proceeding or at the elder specific time, permanent or perpetual. Injunction may be issued at the end of a trial as part of the cross final judgment that usually enjoin or mediate the specified ACT or est permanently or for as long as the relative circumstance obtain a temporary restoring order in an unusual type of permanently. Injunction that is issued without a hearing and sometimes without notice to the party agents whom it is direct. It is well or for only a short period on more than 2 weeks or units such time a formal hearing on a primarily injunction may be conducted in order to be granted an injunction. The plaintiff must demonstrated that he is likely to suffer irreparable harm without to that his injunction benefits to